I've been waiting a year to buy this shoe. I've got a lot of expectations. I'm hoping that this shoe can live up to them. Guys, like the video and let's do it.
Welcome back to the channel. Jamie Thomas, the chief, the GOAT, has come out with a new shoe company. And today we're gonna unbox the Warsaw Chapter Blacks. Giving you guys my full experience unboxing these. Gonna get the POV, the point of view.
Box a little banged up. I'm pretty sure that's from USPS and not retail. Oh my God. Yo, the smell. It's a very different smell. Yeah, these truckers got some weight to them. Like for real. Oh, this insole is not what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder than this. I thought it was gonna be like one of those bullshit insoles. But he wasn't lying when he was talking about the quality. No extra laces, bro. So whenever you make the next version of these, give us some extra laces, cause I'm gonna run through these. I already know what's about to happen. Yeah, this box is heavy, bro. Like this whole thing is these are like heavy. Yeah, I didn't expect that. I haven't had a pair of like heavy shoes, but I originally wanted the mid tops, but I ended up getting these. I'm not mad at it.
Let's talk materials.
A premium suede upper, double pig leather lining, polyurethane insole with microfiber lining, vulcanized rubber taping with durable non-slip outsole. Extra note here, they're saying their shoes fit true to size according to the industry standard.
Like damn, it's got the leather right here. Your shoelaces. Shoelaces look like they are good quality. The pig suede inside that he was talking about. Like this leather like feels real like soft. By just trying them on, like I can tell that these are a good shoe. Like I think I could actually skate these without changing out the insole. That's wild to say, but like this is a completely different feeling. Like I've never had this feeling before. I mean, Jamie Thomas did his thing, man. These shoes feel good. I haven't skated them yet, of course. I have put some shit on my feet and some of them, they weren't good. I was excited about these. So far, they're matching that excitement. There's no issues with sizing. These shoes do fit true to size. So these shoes are like the definition of less is more. Damn, I can't wait to skate these. I'm gonna skate these this weekend. Like, have you bought this shoe? Like, are you guys gonna buy this shoe? You can tell when a corporation makes something, it's just built out of like a process. And when somebody actually makes something that they love and they care about, there is a distinct difference, and this is that difference. And put some cheap ass insole, like he didn't cheap out on materials. First skate impressions are gonna be coming.